Hello guys, I'm Stefan Okajal, and today I'm going to show you the picture of the Wither to fight on Minecraft Pocket Edition 1.0.0. But this is now guys, and that's cool. And now guys, and there's boss help, and there's Hank, and there's now something cool there. But I get this picture on Google, but that is cool. Just type Minecraft 1.0.0 pictures, but that's still cool. And guys, in the wither fight, 3 heads of withers, like that is a boss of the Minecraft, and that is cool, guys. And the stuff is on iPad, but there's no stuff there. But there's no soul sand there to make a wither. You need to make a wither like an iron golem, but he's like a man, like that. But you can skeleton wither to make wither. Now, only on Minecraft PC. Okay, but guys, now, and this is cool. Now on 1.0.0, I'm so excited of this, guys. But I like this picture. I want to fight withers or enter dragons and ghast and but that is cool. And guys, and don't forget me. I'm Stefan Okajal. This only short videos of Minecraft Pocket Edition 1.0.0, and subscribe me. Bye guys, bye.